Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, I'd like to thank you all for all the love and support you've given me for the first video. So today, I'm gonna teach you how to make a bracelet using some rubber bands and a fork. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So here I have some rubber bands and a fork. So let's start. First take a rubber band, put it on the first thing of the fork, twist it like this and put it on the last thing of the fork. Now take another rubber band. I've taken white here again. Put it normally. Now take the last rubber band and pull it and put it on the first one like this. Do the same thing over here. And now push it down. Now take another rubber band. Put it normally over it. Now again do the same thing. Take the last one over the first one. It should be in the middle, okay? Just remember the rubber band should come in the middle. Then again do the same thing. Take this rubber band, put the last one on the first one, and here the last one on the first one. So when you do this for a couple of times, you'll find something like this. So now to join this to this, like to make it a bracelet, first we need a hook. So I have these hooks out here, like these in a packet. I mean, you can use any one which is available for you. So they should look something like this, some S kind of hooks. So first you take this hook, remove the first thing from the fork and join the hook over there. You grab it and join it. So it will look something like this when you join this part. Then remove the second part and take it like this and join it here. So here this is a cute ring. To make a bracelet you can do it for a longer time. So yeah, and there's another one also which looks like this, and there's another technique to it. So yeah. So let's start making something like this. So first you take a rubber band like we always do and just twist it to make an S and put it on the last one. Now take another rubber band, put it normally. Another rubber band, put it normally here. Then what you do is take the last one, put on the first one over here like this. Then take the last one here, put it on the first one like this and push it down. Then again we take one rubber band and we put it over this. Now take the last one again, only one, okay? The last one on the first one and here again the last one on the first one. It should look something like this. So when you keep doing this, so again we take a rubber band, put the last one on the first one. 1 minute. Yeah, and then you put the last one here. Here you take the last one, put it on the first one. So the pattern will come here, something like this. When you keep continuing and doing this for a couple of times, like this, you'll find something like this when you remove it from the fork. I mean, yeah, something like this. Just don't leave the end, okay, the above end, or else it is going to end up opening. So you grab these two and put it with and join it with a hook like we did in the previous one. So take this hook, join it here and take this one, do the same thing and join it here. So here is a cute pair of this is a cute ring and this is a cute bracelet. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel below. Thank you.